Hello to you and welcome to the RHC Wellness channel, where we talk about all things holistic health and wellness and share tools that empower you to take charge of your own healing and well-being. This mindfulness practice is to alleviate stress with 3 deep breaths, where you learn to use your breath in moments of stress and check in with your body. Begin by taking a deep breath and holding it for 5 seconds. Exhale and relax. Take another deep breath, as deep as you can, and hold it for 5 seconds. And as you exhale, just imagine blowing out all of your stress. One more deep, deep, deep breath in. Hold for 5 seconds. And relax all of the stress away. Breathe out. This is your new solution to stress. Whenever you become stressed in the future, you simply take 3 full, deep breaths in, hold for 5 seconds, and then exhale. And when you exhale, blow out any stress that you feel. On the 3rd breath, as you exhale, simply say, "Relax now." Begin now for this meditation process by slowly blinking your eyes with each number I say. Start now. Blink with each number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Allow your eyes to gently close. And when you do this, you feel a wave of relaxation sweep over you. Now I'd like for you to focus on the sensations at the top of your head. Just notice how the very top of your head feels. And now let your focus move down to your eyes. Just notice how your eyes feel and ask them to relax just a little more. The little movement in your eyes is called rapid eye movement and is completely normal. These small eye movements allow for you to feel more calm. Notice how the back of your head feels against the surface that it is touching. Let your focus move to your nose and feel the slight sensations of air moving in and out with each breath. When you breathe in, imagine that you're being filled with calmness. And when you breathe out, imagine your body feels heavy and deeply relaxed. Very good. Now focus on your ears. Notice how they feel and what they hear around you. Try to hear every single noise. All sounds passing through only take you deeper into a state of relaxation. Now focus on your mouth. How does it feel? And what do you notice? Can you sense the flavor of something you recently tasted? Perhaps you can imagine biting into a fresh slice of lemon, and you notice how your mouth waters. Move your focus down now to your neck, and if there's any tension, just ask it to release a little more. Notice how your neck feels right now, and just feel all of the sensations in your neck. Now focus on your shoulders and move your attention slowly going down each arm, down all the way to your fingertips. What are your fingertips touching right now? Feel the sensations on your fingertips. Nice. You're doing a wonderful job. Next, allow your focus to go to your chest, relaxing this area as well as your upper back. And if you notice any tension, just ask it nicely to release just a little. Now imagine you're focusing on your heart and feeling it beating strongly, supporting you. Relax your heart and notice how good it feels to do so. And now focus on your lungs. Feel them gently expanding and contracting with your breath, delivering oxygen to your body. Allow your focus to move down your vital organs and digestive system. Just notice your belly and how it feels. Just observe it working and digesting effortlessly for you. Now notice your low back and how it is pressing against the surface you're on. And if you feel any tension, just say, let's relax just a little bit more. Focus now on your pelvis and hips and notice any sensations you're having there. This takes you even deeper into a state of relaxation. Allowing your focus to move down each leg now, slowly relaxing those as well. Your legs have been taking you so many places over the years, and they deserve to fully relax. Notice this wonderful wave of relaxation moving down to your knees and down to your lower legs, all the way to your feet and the very tip of each toe. Good. Now that you've relaxed your body so well, I'm going to count down from 10, and with each descending number, your conscious mind will relax even more, letting go of any beliefs that hold you back from your goal. Imagine that you're standing at the top of a set of stairs, and when I begin counting, you will walk down the stairs. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's natural that your conscious mind gives less and less importance to the words that I'm saying, allowing your subconscious mind to be present right now. From now on, you choose to be relaxed. You choose to be calm. You choose to be in control of all you do because your health is very important to you. Your well-being is important to you. Remember that it is natural for you to be healthy and happy. Your body is healing every day. Now hear yourself saying, each day, in every way, I get better and better. Hear yourself saying, in order to make change, I challenge myself. When I have negative thought, I acknowledge that I feel this way, and then I release it. When a negative thought arises, I catch it quickly, and I say with confidence, I acknowledge that part of me feels this way, but this thought does not serve me. Each day, in every way, I get better and better. Whenever I am presented with feelings of stress, I know my breath is there to soothe me and guide me into relaxation. Every single day, I become more aware of all of the good. When I feel tension or darkness surrounding me, I know that I have all that I need to correct this by taking 3 deep breaths and relaxing my mind and body. I have the power to reset my nervous system. Each day, in every way, I get better and better. From now on, I am speaking light and positivity in my mind and into my life. From this point forward, whenever I find myself having negative, unproductive thoughts, I will practice self-discipline and catch and correct myself. Each day, in every way, I get better and better. I will speak to myself in a loving and helpful way. I have the power to change my thoughts and rewire my brain. Each day, in every way, I get better and better. Take a deep breath in and out. How do you feel? Notice how you feel right now and take great note of exactly how you feel right now. Good. Now let's come to conscious awareness as I count to 10. 1. Slowly coming back to the present moment. 2. 3. 4. Feeling fresh, new energy coming in as you inhale. 5, 6, 7. Feeling empowered to use your breath. Scan your body and movements. 8, 9, 10. Welcome back. You did a very powerful mindfulness practice. Remember to use this daily and use your breath to advance and control your life. Thank you for joining me for this mindfulness practice. If you liked it and found it useful, please like this video on YouTube. If you haven't yet, click that red subscribe button below to support our channel and stay tuned for more resources regarding holistic health, wellness, and well-being. Thank you.